Presenting a pre-owned 2020 JYCO 37 MDQS. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This 2020 JYCO 37 MDQS Pinnacle is a luxurious fifth-wheel trailer in excellent overall condition. As a factory default, this model comes equipped with a spacious interior layout that includes a master bedroom, a bunkhouse, a full bathroom, and a well-appointed kitchen. The living area features comfortable seating, a dining table, and entertainment options. The exterior boasts a stylish design, large awning, and ample storage compartments. With high-quality construction and attention to detail, this JAYCO Pinnacle offers a premium camping experience for those seeking comfort and convenience on the road. Tim's Toys LLC, 126 Utah Street, NE, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87108, 505-308-8257.